Welcome to 9 p.m. News. Today, we bring you the top stories from North America that are shaping our world. Stay tuned for impactful and engaging updates. President Biden commutes sentences of 1,500 federal inmates. Largest single-day clemency in U.S. history. Aims to address systemic issues in criminal justice. House Ethics Committee finds evidence against Matt Gaetz. Allegations include paying for sex with a minor. Raises concerns about misconduct in U.S. politics. U.S. confirms first severe human case of bird flu. Health officials monitor potential public health threat. Emphasizes need for vigilance in disease prevention. Indiana conducts first execution in 15 years. Quadruple killer Joseph Corcoran put to death. Sparks renewed debate over capital punishment. SoftBank announces $100 billion investment in U.S. projects. Aims to boost American economy and job market. Highlights strengthening ties between U.S. and Japan. Thank you for watching 9 p.m. News. Subscribe to our channel for more news updates. See you next time.